So, dear students, we are going to begin now exercise 6.2. The concept of angle sum property and exterior angle property was already given by me. So now today I am going to discuss the questions related to both the properties. So exterior angle sum property is related to exercise 6.2. So first of all, I am going to begin question number 1. Now some of the questions I am telling you here right now. Suppose I am talking about question number 1. Remember, beta, how to do this question. I think everyone will be knowing the answer, but how to write down this answer in your fair copy, that I am telling you. Okay? So this is X here. Now, I think by using the property of exterior angle, I hope you all are aware of it, that exterior angle की जो value होती है, that is always equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. The sum of its interior opposite angle. That means you can write it down. X is equal to 70 plus 50. And reason आप लिखोगे यहाँ पे exterior angle property. Okay. This property we have already studied in very detail. So I'm not going too much inside the property. I'm just telling you that this angle is always equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. So यहाँ ये exterior angle हुआ, तो इन दोनों का sum will be the exterior angle की value. So 70 and 20 मिलाकर के होता है बेटा 120. So the value of x will be here as 120 degree. Any confusion? Student, please reply now. So I took one more question, that is question number 6 from first. This was first and this is first 6. Now here also, if you will observe, this is exterior angle which is made outside of the triangle. And again, अगर आप उसको गौर से देखोगे तो this is exterior angle and इसके interior opposite कौन हुए बेटा? 30 और 60 हुए. So it means the value of x in this question will be 30 plus 60, which will give you 90. And the reason you will write it down again here, exterior angle property. Finished. Okay. So this is all about question number 1, which is to be done by simply using in one step, that is exterior angle property. I hope it is clear now. So now discussing question number 2 so that you can understand question number 2 के भी कुछ part I have discussed that day to you. So सबसे पहले I am taking question number 2 का first, and then I take one more question from it. Suppose this is x, this is 50 degree, okay, and here it is 115 degree, okay. Now in this question it is asking from us that you have to find out the value of x in this question. ठीक है. Sometimes आपको क्या मिलेगा बेटा, x और y की भी वैल्यू निकालने के लिए मिलेगी. ठीक है. आपको सपोज एक साथ एक ही क्वेश्चन में डबल चीजें मिसिंग कर सकता है. यहाँ पर भी आपको याद होगा उस दिन हम लोगों ने ये डिस्कस किया था. हालांकि आपकी पूरी एक्सरसाइज में ऐसा नहीं है. ठीक है. बट देन टू आपको हो सकता है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3 में वो चीज कॉन्सेप्ट मिले कि आप दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट को मिक्स करो. ठीक है. ये बहुत ज्यादा सिंपल है. नाउ यू ऑल नोइंग that exterior angle की जो वैल्यू होती है वो इन दोनों के सम के इक्वल होती है. ठीक है. that if I want to write this in a proper way, I can write down this, that x plus 50 will be equal to 115. I hope it is, this line is clear to everyone. Please respond yes or no. Okay, because the same thing I have written, you as you all know that इन दोनों का सम मिलाकर के ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल आएगा. ठीक है. तो आई विल राइट इट डाउन हियर द रीजन, एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. Please do not forget to mention the property why we are writing like this. ठीक है. So this is x plus 50 which will give you 115. So if you want the value of x, you can simply subtract 50 from 115, and when you will subtract it, you will get the answer from it. Okay, can you tell me what will come? Tell me now what will be the answer now? 65 degree. The value of the value of x will come here 65 degree. Clear now? Students, please reply now. Is it? So I'm telling you now, question number second wala third. Okay. So that means if suppose you can see the figure is made like this. This is a right angle triangle because you can see this is marked as right angle in the figure. Okay. So this is right angle, students, and this is written here x and this is 125. Now remember, if any of the question you talk about and you will not be having any degree, और अगर आपके पास ये वाला sign mark होता है बेटा, that means you are talking about this is 90. And as soon as you will come to know that this is 90, you are knowing the question will become very simple. X plus 90 मिलाकर के you will get it 125. The property is again the same, which you will write it down in the bracket, that exterior angle property. Okay. Question number second ka third one. So the answer of x will be 125 minus 90. And when you will subtract it, it will give you now 35 degree.